Today we'll be upgrading the VB WRX map lights to LEDs with the Diode Dynamics LED kit. The packaging for this kit is labeled for 2015 to 16 WRX, but it does work with the VB WRX. I'll be using an inexpensive pry tool kit, and I'll put a link in the description below. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver, but that can damage the housing. These original incandescent bulbs get hot very quickly, so I will leave it off a little bit before you do this. The two ends of these bulbs basically has a flat spade. If you rotate the small side of it towards the bottom, then it's easier to remove the bulb. You obviously want to make sure that the LED side is pointing downward. Just get one side in first, and then you may have to push one of the tabs outward if you have to. It's a little bit of a tight fit. A lot of LEDs are polarity sensitive, so if you touch a lead and it does not come on, you want to flip the LED around and try it again. And here's a great comparison of the difference between the two. And we'll just do the same thing to the light, and we're all set. Alright guys, this is the before with the original incandescent bulbs. And this is the upgraded LED bulbs. A whiter color, more modern look. Thanks for watching, and again, hit a like and subscribe button for a lot more VBWX videos. Take care.